Struggling with stiff, achy joints? One forgotten fruit can reduce pain and strengthen your joints in weeks. With 25 million Americans battling joint issues, discover the science-backed power of cherries to transform your mobility starting today. Hello, everyone. Joint pain affects over 25 million Americans, particularly those with arthritis, costing the healthcare system $50 billion annually, according to a 2024 Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report. But one overlooked fruit, cherries, can strengthen your joints and ease discomfort naturally. In this video, we're diving into the science behind cherries' joint-boosting powers, backed by cutting-edge research. We'll share easy ways to add cherries to your diet and complementary habits that fit busy American lifestyles, perfect for workers, parents, or retirees. With 30% of adults over 40 reporting joint issues, per a 2024 Arthritis Foundation report, it's time to rediscover this forgotten fruit. Let's get started and strengthen your joints. Cherries, especially tart cherries, are a powerhouse for joint health, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. A 2024 Journal of Nutrition study found that cherries reduce joint pain by 20% in arthritis patients. Key benefits: antioxidants. Anthocyanins. Tart cherries contain anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation in joints, per a 2023 nutrient study. A single cup provides 50 milligrams of anthocyanins, rivaling anti-inflammatory drugs. Anti-inflammatory effects. A 2024 arthritis research and therapy study showed that tart cherry juice lowers C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation, by 15%, benefiting 30% of Americans with osteoarthritis, per the Arthritis Foundation. Pain reduction. Daily cherry consumption reduces joint pain in 60% of gout patients, per a 2023 Journal of Clinical Rheumatology study. Cartilage protection. Cherries' polyphenol protect cartilage, slowing joint damage, per a 2024 Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery study. Why it matters. Joint pain limits mobility for 25 million Americans, increasing healthcare costs, $500 per arthritis treatment visit, per a 2024 Healthline report. Dr. Daniel Claw, a rheumatologist, notes in a 2024 Arthritis and Rheumatology article, cherries are a natural, effective way to manage joint inflammation. Adding cherries to your diet can improve your quality of life. Incorporating cherries into your diet is easy and affordable. A 2024 nutrient study found that 1 cup of cherries or 4 ounces of tart cherry juice daily reduces joint inflammation significantly. Cherry-based recipes. Cherry smoothie. Blend 1 cup frozen tart cherries, $2 at Walmart, with 1 cup almond milk, 30 cents, and half banana, 10 cents, in 30 seconds. Provides 10 grams of fiber and antioxidants, per a 2023 Journal of Nutrition study. Cherry salad topper. Add half cup fresh cherries, $1.50 at Aldi, to 1 cup spinach, 30 cents, with 1 ounce walnuts, 50 cents at Costco. Takes 1 minute to assemble. Boosts joint health with vitamin C, per a 2024 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study. Cherry snack. Eat 1 ounce dried tart cherries, $1 at Kroger, as a grab-and-go option. Offers concentrated anthocyanins, per a 2023 nutrient study. With 25 million Americans battling joint pain, cherries can transform your mobility. Take our 30-day joint health challenge. Eat 1 cup of cherries daily, add a simple habit like walking, and track your progress. Share your journey at arthritis.org and inspire others. Your joints, your freedom, act now. That's it for the forgotten fruit that strengthens your joints. Subscribe for more daily health tips and comment below. How are you adding cherries to your diet? Let's keep the conversation going and build a pain-free United States. See you tomorrow.